This is Philip from ZenTeach, and I will just spend a few minutes talking about the new feature that we've added to ZenTeach, which is creating new questions. So now from now on, you will be able to create your own questions. If we navigate to the login page, which is portal.zenteach.co.uk, and add our login credentials, and go to the side here, you can see within the navigation menu a new tab called Questions. If you click on that, you will see a list of all the questions you've already created. In this case, we've already created one, but you could, if you wanted to, just navigate up to this top right corner and click on the Create a Question button. Here, you will now be able to add all the necessary information for a new question, such as the actual question, the subject it belongs to, the topic it belongs to, what knowledge item it points to, the particular exam board you're teaching, any tags, like this should be keywords, and then the individual choices of that multiple choice quiz, as well as the feedback that students would get if they select this particular choice. You can then tell the system which of these choices is correct, right? Alrighty. So if we now go to our test class and create a new quiz, and we're going to select a topic. Let's say we want to quiz our students on the atomic structure, and we're just for testing purposes, we're just going to select the first knowledge item. So we want our students to know that protons and neutrons are within the nucleus, right? The nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Wonderful. Continue. If we now click on this magnifying glass right here, you can see that there are two questions that link to this particular knowledge item, and one of them has the user created label, which tells you that it wasn't me, but an actual user using the page. And these questions are shared amongst all users, which is fantastic because it means that you are now not dependent on me creating the content. You can create your own content, and everyone else can help each other by building the database together, right? Now, if you want to see something particular, more information about this particular question, you can expand it and see the individual choices. And if you like it, you select it and you press continue and so on, and finalize the quiz. Right. So this is the basics of how to create a question. One thing I would like to still point out is now that we have added key stages to the system, meaning that when you create a new class, let's just see how this works, and you select the year group. If you select a year 7, 8, or 9 class, then you will automatically be assigned key stage 3 questions. And if you select year 10, 11, that's key stage 4. In year 12, 13, obviously key stage 5. And that means that when you get your listing, when you create a quiz, right, all these topics and knowledge items will directly link to relevant content of key stage 3, 4, or 5. And that's a great help. It automatically filters, and you don't have to worry about getting questions that don't pertain to your particular key stage. Okay, so that's all for now. We'll keep you updated, and happy to have you on board, and looking forward to your feedback in the coming days, weeks, and months. Thanks for listening. See you around. Bye-bye.